Hello, welcome everybody. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jenny Nguermo. Okay, if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful look, this beautiful nice style that I'm having here, this nice and juicy twist out, please keep on watching. Okay, just keep on watching, don't go away. So let's get started. I'm going to start with this shampoo, moisturizing shampoo. This shampoo is so good, I love it. I have already detangled my hair, much under my roots. Shampooing, it's so creamy. Now my hair has been washed, I'm going to go direct and apply my deep conditioner. Okay, I start with separating my hair, work it in smaller section. Add more, just adding more products. Yeah, finish detangling this one. So guys, now I've done detangling my hair, put my deep conditioner. I'm just going to wear this heating plastic and let it stay for about 30 minutes, and I'll be back for styling. So I have washed and conditioned my hair. It's looking very clean. For this styling, I'll be using this Cantu avocado line. Begin with my leave-in, follow it with my homemade butter, my curling cream. At the end of my twist, I'm going to add this Asayam gel, just a little bit. My leave-in conditioner, I'll be taking that much for one section. Add more of my leave-in, follow it up with my mixed butter. Use a little bit of that gel. Oh, now I've done twisting my hair. Oh, we are finished. I'm finished. I'm just going to oil my scalp with my own handmade oil. Homemade oil, sorry. Wow. So I'm just going to let this dry overnight. Air dry. I'm going to let it dry overnight, and I'll be back tomorrow to show you people my final results. So this is my hair, fully dry, 100% dry after 2 days. Okay, so now I'm just going to take all these twists out, separate it and fluff it, and yeah, just take a little bit of my own oils, my own homemade oil that I made. At the roots, I just braid the head. Okay, I braid my hair at the roots because I don't want my roots to be puffy. So that's the reason why I braid the roots. I advise you be very gentle while taking your twist out. Okay. Wow. Wow, this looks so pretty, so pretty. I'm loving it. Oh my God. Look how defined this hair is. Wow. So I'm just going to go ahead and separate all this hair to give me more of that bigger look. Okay, you can stop here, just work on your hair, use your finger, define your hair, and just stop this way. Okay, you can stop from here if you want to, because after all, after 2 days your hair gets more bigger, but I don't want to stop here. I want to make it more fuller. So I'm just going to divide all these coils. You try to divide it the way it all felt natural. Okay, so I'm just going to divide it and give it a fuller look. So you see, it looks guys, I don't know if you can notice with the light. In fact, sometimes it just gets brighter and sometimes it gets darker, but I hope you people don't take that seriously. Okay, so now I have done dividing my hair. You can see it look more fuller, but I'm not done here. I'm going to use my pick to pick it. Somehow I love this one most. I'll be using this one. So you just pick your hair and give it a better shape. I'm looking for a nice hairdresser, the one that can give me a nice shape. I feel like my hair doesn't have any shape and I don't want to do that myself. I still have to divide this one. Let me turn back. Ooh. So pretty, so good. Look at how defined, my hair look, and it feels so soft. This is the side where I want my hair to look more bigger, okay? That's why you see I'm focusing more on this side to have that bigger look on one side, on one only side. Wow. So I'm done fluffing my hair. Look, this one is just falling like this. See, look. Tell me, please guys, tell me what you think about my hair, my look, everything, and let me know if you have ever tried a hairstyle like this. Okay, thank you all so much for watching, for your time, for your likes and your comments. Please, sis, don't leave without giving me that like. Okay, click that like and subscribe bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any new video. You'll be the first to watch. Okay, I made this video for you guys with love, so give me like, just give me like. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you all. Mwah.